Thank you, Rishabh Shravan Suglaji.
Thank you,
Lot
sir.
of thanks. Distinguished Sister Jayanti Kirpalni ji, European Director of Brahma Kumaris and keynote speaker for today. Eminent panelist, uh, the event host from Bliss Estate and SS Suzlam Sufalam Foundation, India. Participant, ladies and gentlemen, very warm greetings from Sikkim and its people to all of you participating in this very important virtual event. First of all, it is a privilege for me to be a guest of honor among this galaxy of prominent personalities contributing to a healthy planet and a global sustainable development agenda. Thank you very much for this good opportunity for me. At the very outset, let me inform this August gathering that Sikkim's development model is built on the three pillars of sustainable development. Number one, environmental sustainability. Number two, social well-being. And number three, economic viability. As most of the distinguished delegates and participants may know, Sikkim is blessed with abundant natural resources. Our ancestors used their traditional knowledge and practices to conserve, sustainably use and add value of these resources. It is that legacy that has inspired and guided us in charting the sustainable development path that we are on today. While we take great pride in our rich culture and past achievement, we are faced with numerous challenges from globalization, climate change, and most recently the disruption and adverse impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Sikkim is a mountainous state with limited opportunities compared to rest of India. Our development model has to therefore be unique to meet the aspiration of people living in fragile and harsh conditions. In spite of these challenges, Sikkim is making genuine effort to achieve the 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals. I am very pleased to share with you all some of the notable accomplishments that we have made so far. Sikkim has been declared the cleanest state on a number of occasions. The state was awarded with Swachh Bharat Award by the President of India in 2019. Similarly, Ms. Upasana Khawas also received the award for the President of India from Women's category for her commendable work on menstrual hygiene. We place great emphasis on the provision of adequate clean water to every citizen and take care of the environment. All this effort contribute to SDG 6, clean water and sanitation. We have made great strides in the field of renewable and clean energy, capitalizing on our abundant water resources, contributing to SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. We support and promote agro-herders communities, focusing on organic agriculture production, dairy and rural tourism based on nature and culture. All these investments are aimed at achieving SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. We have undertaken vulnerability mapping across the state based on which coping and adaptation interventions are designed and implemented. Springset, watershed, and landscape conservation approaches are being applied for resilience building and to sustain ecosystem services. Our forest cover increased from 2,700 square kilometer in 1987 to 3,379 square kilometer by now. Sikkim is a pioneer of the Smriti Ban concept, aimed at developing memorial forests on the degraded land through community participation. All this contribute to SDG 13 climate action. Over 40% of Sikkim's land area is under the protected area network, including the first mixed world heritage site in India based on culture and nature, the Kanchenjunga National Park notified by UNESCO. Sikkim is also part of the Kanchenjunga Landscape Initiative, a regional conservation and development initiative covering part of Eastern Nepal, Bhutan and Sikkim, facilitated by the International Center for Integrated Mountain Development, ESIMOD. The Transboundary Landscape Initiative by creating corridor in the Eastern Himalayas with Bhutan, India and Nepal for the free movement of wildlife. These efforts are aimed at achieving SDG 15 life on land. I am pleased to say that Sikkim has been a preferred place for our development partner. We are working closely with both national and international agencies for achieving the SDGs, including the Niti Aayog, India's premier think tank, JICA, UNDP, and ACIMOD for larger landscape level conservation and sustainable development, contributing to SDG 17 partnership on the goals. In addition, the effort for the better progress is also being made on other SDGs. Therefore, we are looking for the investment for improving healthcare, institutions and services across the state. We are in a process of creating specialized hospitals and health facilities in all corners of the state, for which we are looking for the investor. We have implemented the health insurance scheme to provide free access to healthcare who are living in far-flung areas and are not able to treat the critical category of diseases. All these efforts are aimed at achieving SDG 3, good health and well-being. Sikkim is proud to have achieved 96% literacy. We have good local level infrastructure for schooling, one central university, one state university, three private universities, one medical college, and several technical and conventional colleges. We are also making effort to establish a center of excellence for education in West Sikkim and Kanchenjunga Buddhist University in East Sikkim. Nonetheless, the efforts are being made to make the people employable through skill development and entrepreneurship. Training are the key areas of our scheme of plans. Distinguished guests, Sikkim is a landlocked state, but we are making progress on improving road and rail connectivity and have invited private companies to invest in various sectors such as pharmaceuticals, and tourism. Further, there are scopes of new investment opportunity for supporting achievement of SDG 9 industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Sikkim has invested in sport infrastructure, parks, and other recreational facilities, undertaken cleanliness drives in cities and towns, and designated several public spaces as no vehicle zones and no honk zones. However, the challenges of managing solid waste is a big task before us and needs support from the external agencies. All these efforts support achievement of SDG 11 sustainable cities and communities by promoting and incentivizing natural agriculture practices and agro biodiversity management and supporting entrepreneurship for youth through skill development, soft loans, and startup opportunities. Sikkim is supporting the achievement of SDG 12, responsible production and consumption. In addition to being a fully organic state and a pioneering and preferred destination for ecotourism, and there are more scope to invest in this sector. Sikkim is also one of the largest producers of large cardamom. We have recently nominated our famous Dalle Khosani round chilies, yeah, or red chilies for geographical indication tag. We are now looking at creating employment opportunities for educated youth in their respective areas. We are focusing on creating market and supply chains around traditional craft, tourism based on culture, health and nature, and promoting agriculture product under the one village, one product concept. Sikkim is also looking for promote its organic produce, unique yak product from highland communities, and medicinal and aromatic plants. Special attention will be given for supporting the returnee migrant due to COVID-19, who we regard as a ready and skilled workforce that can be engaged in the process of state building. Sikkim is also committed to add value to the SDGs by building synergy between the goals and developing a holistic and integrated approach to social ecological resilience. However, all these are possible when the private sector step forward and development partner provide adequate support to meet both technical and financial commitment. The good city has the challenges of traffic. Gantok city has the challenges of traffic management. Therefore, the state is looking for carbon-free mass transport system in the days to come. Sikkim has been a peaceful state for decades and is therefore an ideal place for investment in green solution and economic growth. Ladies and gentlemen, as Chief Minister of Sikkim, let me assure you that my state and people are committed to the nation building process and will work in all possible ways to address the challenges of climate change, poverty, and the pandemic, and also achieve the SDGs by balancing conservation and development. As the slogan of this event remains as planet and profit can coexist. You are welcome to Sikkim. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. Namaste. Kashi Lake. Jai Hind, Jai Sikkim. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for a wonderful message to all that planet and profit can coexist. And you have not only said, but your state have proved it that yes, it can. And it has become an example for all the states across the world, not only in India, to follow this. So now...
Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Without taking much time, I would now invite our all esteemed expert panelists, moderated by Mr.